Hello everyone, and welcome back to Introduction to OPCloud. In today's session, we're going to talk about OPCloud tutorial mode, and specifically showing animated GIFs that will help you to model more quickly and easily. In our latest edition, we added animated GIF to as many as we can buttons and options in OPCloud. We are planning, of course, to add more and more as OPCloud will continue to be developed. Let's see what we're talking about. If you will hover on top of several buttons and options, you will be able to see animated GIF that will shortly explain what this button should do. As you can see here, this is the navigator. This button is the magnifying option on how to zoom in on an option, and we have the demagnify on how to zoom out. If we select an object, you are able to see that we have in-zoom option, and if we select the process, we can also see the unfold. This is true both for the secondary toolbar and also to the halo. We also have the option in the left pane where we hover on top of the things and you can see how things are done. If you're standing on the OPD tree, you will see an option on how to use the OPD tree menu. If you don't want to activate this option, simply go to OPCloud settings and turn off the tutorial mode. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.